Are you tired of being broke or sick of the 9 to 5 and want to have better financial control and make more money online? Then you're in the right place. The truth is, school never teaches us how to make money, budget, or invest. And most advice out there is either too confusing to practice or just plain useless. I know exactly how frustrating that can be because I've been there myself. Years ago, I struggled with finances. I was deep in debt, living paycheck to paycheck, and constantly stressed about money. No matter how hard I worked, it felt like I was stuck in the same cycle, barely covering my expenses, let alone saving or investing. I tried following generic money advice, but nothing seemed to work in real life. I knew there had to be a better way. So I took matters into my own hands. I started learning everything I could about personal finance, passive income, and making money online. I tested different strategies, made mistakes, and figured out what actually works. And when I finally cracked the code, everything changed. And that's why I created this channel, to break everything down in a way that actually makes sense to you so you can start earning more, increase your earning capacity, and invest your money wisely. Most people waste years trying to figure out how to make money online. But I'll give you the shortest routes possible without needing a finance degree. Every week on this channel, I'll break down the best legit ways to make money online without getting scammed. Passive income ideas that actually work no matter your location, the US, UK, and worldwide. Simple personal finance tips and best practices to avoid going broke, and everything you need about AI and AI tools, crypto, investments, and other trending money moves. Whether you're trying to quit your 9 to 5, pay off debt, or just make extra cash on the side, I've got you covered. Every video you watch will move you one step closer to financial freedom. The more you learn, the more you earn. So if you're ready to start making money and actually keep it, hit that subscribe button down below. And turn on the notifications so you don't miss out, because the next video might be the one that changes everything for you.